This is a challenge slide, and you'll have an example of this on your homework, but it'll be a challenge question, so it won't count against you, but I did want to go over it in a video. So this one says 165 divided by b equals 11. Now in class, we talked about splitting our equation into two sides, right? I have 165 divided by b on one side equals 11. We also talked about trying to get b by itself by doing the opposite operation. The opposite of division would normally be multiplication, is multiplication. Okay? But however, we cannot just multiply by 165. That is not going to work. If I did that, I'd end up with an answer in the thousands, and 165 divided by something like that is not going to give me 11. So there's a couple ways we can think about this. I'll do the longer way first, and then I'll show you a shortcut way. So 165 divided by b. The opposite would be multiplying by b, right? Because order matters in division. So instead of dividing by b, I'm multiplying by b. And what is that going to do? Well, I have to do that to both sides. It would cancel out my b here. I'd be left with just 165 on this side now, right? Because it's canceled out, equals 11 times b. So I could do 11b. Okay, but I still haven't gotten b by itself yet. And that's my ultimate goal. So now I'm going to do it again. I want to get b by itself. Maybe this time it'll be over here. So instead of multiplying by 11, I could divide by 11. That would cancel out and leave b by itself. So I'd be doing 165, divided by 11 in the end. And that would give me 15. So I would have to switch. It was almost a two-step problem in this case, where I switched b from one side to the other, and then I was able to divide by 11. Now, if you'll notice, I ended up with 165 divided by 11 equals b. So when I clear my screen and I go back, I'm going to show you kind of a little shortcut. Whenever you're dividing by a variable, right, 165 divided by b equals 11 is the same thing as saying 165 divided by 11 equals b. You can actually switch in division, just switch the answer with that second, the variable in this case, whatever comes in second here. Okay, so then all of a sudden it looks like this. 165 divided by 11 equals b. And from there you can just plug it into your calculator and you would get 15 equals b. So in case you come across that on your homework and you want to give it a try, that is how you would do it.